Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a secure, affordable VPN that actually delivers, this video is for you. Today, I'm doing a full review of Private Internet Access, PIA VPN in 2025 and sharing the latest coupon codes and discounts so you can grab it at the lowest possible price. And as always, I've included a special link in the description that applies PIA's biggest discount automatically, so you never overpay. Private internet access has been around for over a decade, and it's built a reputation as one of the most privacy-focused VPNs on the market. Here's why PIA is a top choice in 2025. Proven no-logs policy, verified multiple times in court, so your activity stays private. Massive server network with over 30,000 servers in 90-plus countries for great global coverage. Unlimited device connections, meaning you can protect every device in your home with one subscription. Advanced security features like MACE, built-in ad tracker and malware blocker, split tunneling, and dedicated IP options. WireGuard protocol for blazing fast speeds, perfect for streaming and gaming. Now, let's talk savings. Here are the best PIA VPN coupon codes and deals for 2025. PIA 2025. Get up to 82% off the 3-year plan plus 3 free months. VPN 15. PIA. Extra 15% off any plan if you prefer monthly or yearly billing. Save 10% off renewals for existing customers. Flash PIA. Limited time extra 5% discount during seasonal sales like Black Friday or New Year. And if a code doesn't work or you just want to make sure you get the biggest savings, click my special discount link in the description. It's always updated with PIA's best available offer and applies it automatically at checkout. Pro tip, the 3-year plan is usually the best value. It locks in the lowest monthly price, includes bonus months for free, and gives you peace of mind for years. And don't forget, PIA has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. So that's my review of Private Internet Access VPN for 2025. If you're ready to secure your internet, block ads, and unlock global content at the best price, click the link in my description, grab your coupon, and start using PIA today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more VPN reviews and privacy tips, and comment below letting me know what you'll be using your VPN for, streaming, gaming, or just staying private online. Remember, online privacy doesn't have to cost a fortune. With PIA VPN and these coupon codes, you can protect your data and save money in 2025.